Every game has an offense and a defense. Why would life be any different? In the game of life, you're guaranteed to have obstacles because there's no growth, no story without them. That's like watching your favorite NBA player play against a middle school basketball student. It's funny at first, but then it quickly gets boring and even a little depressing. So yes, obstacles are necessary, and some people have way more than others. It's just facts. But here's the secret most don't know. This game is fixed. You're guaranteed to win if you're willing to be patient and persistent enough to work around the obstacles. The problem is most people think that their limitations make it impossible for them to win, so they don't try. Or they try and they quit after a few bad quarters. But think about it like this. Out of all the places in time, you're living right here, right now with the internet. The game has never been more fixed in your favor. Everything you need to reach your dreams, you can find at the touch of a button. The secret to winning is being bold enough to find your purpose and pursue it despite the losing seasons. You don't need rich parents. You don't need a degree. You don't need to be a genius. You need to believe that you can win and then act accordingly.